Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my flipping goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, wait, I need lip gloss. You always have to have lip moisturization because as I do. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Now, as you can see, I'm looking a little different. Again, kind of, not really. I don't know. For the newcomers, welcome back. If you've been here, you know, if you've always been here. No wait, if you've been here, welcome back. For the newcomers, hey, how you doing? First off, can we just appreciate the growth? Like, can we just appreciate the hair? Like, just take a moment for the hair. Like just take a moment. This is literally a year after I cut my hair for the second time. So my second big chop. If you scroll down, scroll all the way back, you will see that video. And after that, I kept my braids in for like a year. And that's what we have. But this is my hair in its shrunken state right now. So with this video, I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair. Like ever since I've been wearing it out. Actually, I've always gotten compliments on my hair. I wanted to give y'all a tip and a trick because I don't wear my hair out in a shrunken state. It's been raining for the past 2 days here. Like it's been rainy, cold. So like there's no need to stretch it out because it's gonna shrink back up. So that's the only time I've been wearing it out. Like wearing it in a shrunken state. So shrinkage means your hair is healthy. So don't ever feel ashamed about shrinkage because it means your hair is healthy. But you know, I live in Texas. And you know what they say, everything's bigger and better in Texas. So you know, I have to have big hair. Like I have to have big hair. So I do this technique to where I take my hair from looking like this to looking fuller, elongated, and all that. She gave one of my brodies, my friends, a tip. So I was like, you know, let me share this tip with you guys because, you know, why not? You know, it's just, we love girls helping girls. And then I'm talking, I keep looking this way. There's literally a mirror right here. So we love girls helping girls. So I was just like, why not help you guys with this tip? So this is gonna be that kind of video because my friend did say, why not incorporate some natural hair stuff into your videos? And I'm all like, at first I was like, nah, but then I'm all like, I'd be searching up natural hair videos. So like, why would I not kind of like do that? You know, like, y'all see this turtleneck? I feel like I'm giving The Rock vibes. Like, I don't know why, whenever I wear this, I feel like The Rock, but also I kind of feel like a football player because like, I feel like my shoulders be looking like, you know? And like, there's a whole, never mind. I want to show you the whole process of how I get my hair, how I do my natural hair. So, I'm gonna give y'all a wash day one day, but this is my hair after the wash day. So right now, this is my hair in a shrunken state. Literally. First thing I like to do, I like to shake my hair. Like you have to shake your hair. Cause me, you just have to like make sure your hair's not stiff because stiff hair is not cute. Your natural hair cannot be stiff. Like that's your natural hair. It cannot be stiff. So what I do, I just shake my hair out. Like I literally just shake it out. Like I whip my hair back and forth. So with doing, oh my god, oh my gosh, that made me dizzy. I don't know, I like doing that because I feel like it loosens up my hair because I just feel like it just be looking like, I don't want stiff hair. Who wants stiff hair? Because like you have gel and stuff like that in your hair products. Like I don't want my hair to be way down. So I always shake my hair out. Like I always. So I just shake it out. After you shake your hair, you're gonna need 2 things. This trick is so easy. It's so easy. A wide tooth comb. I was gonna say maybe a paddle brush, but a wide tooth comb will get the job done. So you need to have a wide tooth comb or a pick. Just a comb that can pick, literally, like that just makes it look fluffy. So like a pick or a wide tooth comb. This. You just need these 2 things. If you want to achieve like this, like my hair, how it looks like this, all defined and all that stuff, that's another video. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you want that video, comment down below and I might give it to y'all. Might. No, comment down below. If y'all want it, I'll actually give it to y'all. But for this look that we're about to do right now, about to achieve, you're gonna need just these 2 things. A comb and a blow dryer. First off, you're going to get your blow dryer. After you done shook out your hair, If you're trying not to use heat on your hair, you can also do other methods. You can like do like the banding method, which is like you just get like rubber bands, you just band one side, band the roots, band the middle part, and then band your ends, and then go to sleep. But this is just quick and efficient. If you want something quick and efficient, so I use the high setting because I just need to hurry this shit up. You're gonna grab a portion, so we're gonna grab from the bottom and see what we want to use. So I grabbed like a handful, and I start with this side. So I just hold it, and I'm gonna blow dry my roots first. And don't burn yourself because like I said, I'm using the highest setting, and sometimes you can burn yourself, but I put it away from me. Sometimes this way. We'll see. Just don't burn yourself. You know when it gets hot, just move it away. Like like move it away. This is really pretty self-explanatory,
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs.
Oh, that should burn my neck. So as you can see, you have a little bit of stretch. That's me stretching out my roots. You can already see the difference from like right here and right here. Now, I like a little bit more stretch. So that's when I just mainly focus on my roots just to get the length, because I still want the definition. If you don't care about definition, then blow dry all along down your hair. But I wouldn't do that because like you're damn near straightening your hair, and it's like, what's the point? You don't want to showcase like the part that you stretched out, because it's like this looks goofy. Like if I was to go all that is, like I look goofy. That's when you grab another section of your hair. I'm gonna grab this part right here. I'm gonna do the same thing, literally just stretch out the roots. So first stretch it out with my actual hand. Okay, you go. And I focus on my roots.
Wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
And then you do this side. Your final section is my top section. Separate the curling. That's when you flip it, fluff it, wherever side, however you want it to frame your face. I just keep separating the curls because I just clump it together by squishing it. So this is with the blow dry. Y'all see the difference already? It's elongated and it's fuller. Now if you want to look more defined, you have to make your wash and go more defined. Mind you, my wash and go is like 2 days old right now, so it's very frizzy, and I've been lying like all over my bed and shit, and like I don't want to refresh my hair every day. I don't care. I like the frizzier, messier look because I don't really care. Sometimes. But as you can see, look, it's literally one side's already fuller than the side, like literally. And we haven't even used the comb yet. So that's just one side. So now we're gonna continue the other side. Like I said, the same technique. You're just gonna grind it out, and don't leave the heat on your hair for too long because this is heat, and like, it's still heat. You can still get heat damage. So don't go crazy. Ugh, oh my gosh, my scalp is itchy.
Underway, you can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
After you blow dry everything, you're gonna shake. Literally shake your head. Just shake your head. Shake your head. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. So after you do that, you just, let your hair fall wherever it falls. However you just parted it, it's gonna fall how it falls. Now, this is where we incorporate the comb, because first off, if you don't like what you're seeing, go back with the blow dryer and just fix what you want to fix, stretch what you want to stretch out, but don't overstretch because then your hair's gonna look straight. I always just do my roots and like a little bit of like my hair shaft, but mainly the roots because I still want my definition. So I just stretched out my roots to give like that extra length to combat the shrinkage. And then yeah, as you can see, you still see my curls. It's the same. It's literally just my roots stretched out. So that's that. It's not that. Now for the volume. Now you're probably thinking, Chiiyoma, your hair's already voluminous. Bitch, I said I'm from Texas. I need bigger hair. The bigger hair, the better. So this is where we get our wide tooth comb and or pick. Comb of your choice. I recommend wide tooth comb and or pick. That's when you look at your hair, just look at it. Get your mirror too. You need a mirror too, obviously. You're gonna look at your hair and think, what should I do? You know what? Bam, I want some poof right here. Bam, I want some poof right here. Poof right here. And that's when you just fluff it out. Bam, I want some poof right here. You know what? I want a little bit of poof right here. That's when you just go in whatever section, you just poof it up, poof it up. Fluff your roots. Don't fluff your hair shaft because you're gonna lose definition. Your roots, no one's gonna see your roots. So just focus mainly on your roots. That's what I do. I focus on my roots. So fluff my roots out right there. Just to give it more volume, make it look more like, damn, she got a lot of hair. I do. But we're gonna, you know, kind of cheat it a little bit. So you do that, fluff that out right there. The hair shape I like is for my ends, like my bottom portion to be more elongated right here. And then the rest of it kind of more like shrunken up. So I don't know if that's like a mushroom. I don't know what shape that is, but it's something. That's just, I like how it looks. If you're unsatisfied with certain parts in your hair, you can go back with the blow dryer and then just remember, as the day goes on, like as the days pass, your hair is gonna get fluffier and fluffier and fluffier. So don't, if you're trying to make your hair fluffy as fuck on the first day, that's good if you want to achieve like a certain look for that day. But like as the days go on and you already did your fluffiest form on the first day, as the days go on, it's gonna be a big old poof ball. Like it's not gonna look like cute no more. Been there, done that. I'm telling you from experience. So just don't do too much, don't go too crazy. I'm just trying to show y'all. So after you do that, you can still fluff.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby.
Luminous, volumina. I don't know my hair type, guys. I just always say I have type 4 hair. So, But this is my hair. Damn, all this effort I just did. I'm trying to go see Bae. But then I remembered. I don't have one. So, this look is really for myself. Me, myself, and I. Who is this girl? Like, stop playing with her. She not one of them. Like, as you can see, this is the side. Just little, you know. As you can see, I stretched out the roots, and you see I left the ends alone because I still wanted to show some definition. So those are my ends. The roots are just really stretched out. Y'all can see, literally, y'all can see. Then you have this side, which is like its own curl pattern, which is the same thing. This is where I really stop at. So I feel like this is like fine, how I'd like my hair. And then, you know, as the days progress, it gets bigger, bigger, and bigger, and bigger, and bigger. But really, I can't wait till my hair gets longer because right now my hair is at, let's grab a curl. It's right here. And my goal is to get it to my titty by summer. I think it's very much doable because, I mean, it's not too far. Nah, I'm getting my shit to my titty by summer. I don't give a fuck. Take it in, take it in. The back, the front, the side. The right angles, bro. Because I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's really giving The Rock vibes. It's giving like, I feel like The Rock in this. Like, I really do. I feel like The Rock. like The Rock Jr. Like the hair, the turtleneck, the fucking Shazane. I feel like The Rock. I feel like The Rock. She is my rock. No, no. I just want to share this tip with y'all because I know some of us, like, fingers means your hair is healthy, but for some of us who like a little volume, a little length, a little kapow, babow, this was for y'all. I did this for y'all. So just so y'all know how I be getting my hair, how it be. This is just the quickest, easiest way, just for people who don't have time. And me as a college student, I don't have time. Even though I really do have time because, you know, I'm not that busy, but this is just quicker and it's quicker. But anyways, guys, like I said again, if you want a tutorial on how I got my hair like this, like just like the definition and all that, comment down below if you want that. If you don't want it, you don't want it. You don't want it. I'm not going to fight you. You're not going to fight me. It's not no big deal. Like I said again, thank you for taking time out of your day to come watch little me. I hope you guys actually learned some tips. Like I said, this is really just two things. Really 3 things if you want to know how to get my hair like this. Get your hair like this, you know, definition. So really, it's 2 things, but really 3 things. If you actually enforce these rules, oh my gosh, like, send me a picture. Send me a picture. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, except, well, really Twitter and Insta. I came back, but I really didn't come back, but I came back, but I didn't really come back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all again on the next video, and I'll get on the next video, and peace.